Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If your entire design career depends on skills that AI can now do in seconds, what exactly are you selling? Here's the truth nobody in the design industry wants to admit. The designers who are struggling right now are not struggling because AI is too powerful. They are struggling because they never learned how to work with it. But the designers quietly making more money than ever? They figured out one thing. AI does not replace skilled designers. AI replaces unskilled designers who refuse to adapt. Today I am going to give you the complete blueprint. The exact roadmap to build a profitable, future-proof design career by combining your human creativity with the most powerful AI tools available right now. We tested, used, and refined every single step in this guide inside a real working design workflow. So everything you are about to hear is practical, proven, and ready to implement starting today. Let's build your blueprint. Part 1. Understanding the new design economy. Before we get into tools and tactics, you need to understand the landscape you are operating in right now. The graphic design industry is going through the biggest shift it has seen in 30 years. When desktop publishing arrived in the 1990s, people said designers were finished. When Canva launched, people said designers were finished. Now with AI, people are saying it again. They are wrong every single time, but only for designers who evolve. Here is what the data actually shows. The demand for design work has not decreased. It has exploded. Businesses need more content, more branding, more visuals, more everything than at any point in history. Social media alone requires a volume of design output that would have been impossible to fulfill a decade ago. The problem is not demand. The problem is delivery speed and pricing pressure. Clients now expect faster turnaround. They expect more variations. They expect revisions without extra charges. And with AI tools becoming more visible to the general public, some clients are starting to question why they should pay a designer at all. Your job is not to fight that question. Your job is to answer it confidently, because a skilled AI-powered designer delivers something no AI tool alone ever can. Strategic thinking, brand understanding, emotional intelligence. Those are your unfair advantages. And in this blueprint, you are going to learn exactly how to monetize them. Part 2. The 4 pillars of a profitable AI design career. Every successful AI-powered designer I have studied operates on 4 core pillars. Miss even one and your income stays inconsistent. Master all 4 and you create a genuinely sustainable career. Pillar 1. Speed without sacrificing quality. The number one reason clients leave designers is not price. It is turnaround time. AI tools have completely eliminated the excuse of slow delivery. When you can generate initial concepts, explore color palettes, test typography combinations, and produce mock-ups in a fraction of the traditional time, you become the designer clients refer to everyone they know. Speed is no longer a bonus feature. It is a baseline expectation in today's market. Pillar 2. Breadth of service. The most profitable designers are not specialists in one narrow area. They are versatile creatives who can handle branding, social media content, UI mockups, marketing materials, and presentation design all under one roof. AI tools make this breadth genuinely achievable without burning out. Clients love the simplicity of a one-stop designer. It removes the headache of managing multiple vendors and builds deeper long-term relationships that translate into consistent retainer income. Pillar 3. Consistent visual identity. Brands do not just want pretty graphics. They want consistency. Every touchpoint needs to feel like it belongs to the same family. AI tools that understand brand guidelines and maintain visual coherence across dozens of deliverables make you incredibly valuable to growing businesses. Pillar 4. Strategic input. This is the pillar that separates the designers charging $500 per project from the ones charging $5,000. Clients will always pay premium rates for designers who come to the table with ideas, not just execution. When AI handles the mechanical work, you have mental energy left to think strategically, and that thinking is what you charge for at the highest level. Part 3. Building your AI-powered design stack. Now let us get practical. Here are the specific tools that belong in your professional workflow and exactly how to use each one to make money. Typography and font pairing. Every strong brand starts with the right typography. FontJoy is the tool that has completely changed how we approach this. Instead of spending hours experimenting with font combinations, you simply let the AI analyze style, weight, and contrast to present you with pairings that are both visually strong and highly legible. What makes this powerful professionally is the fine-tuning capability. You are not locked into generic suggestions. You can adjust weight and contrast details until the pairing perfectly matches the brand personality you are building. For client projects, this means you arrive at typography solutions faster and with greater confidence, which directly translates to faster approvals and fewer revision rounds. Color strategy and palette generation. Color is one of the areas where designers lose enormous amounts of time. Testing combinations, checking contrast ratios, ensuring emotional alignment with brand values. It is genuinely complex work. Chroma has become one of our most used tools precisely because it draws inspiration from thousands of professionally curated palettes and translates that intelligence into personalized recommendations. The standout feature for professional work is the ability to test your color combinations directly on custom images. Before you ever present a palette to a client, you can show them exactly how those colors behave in real context, on their product photos, their website mockups, their marketing materials. That level of presentation builds enormous client confidence and dramatically reduces the back and forth that kills project profitability. Concept sketching and ideation. Every great design starts with a rough idea. AutoDraw, developed by Google Creative Lab, bridges the gap between quick conceptual sketching and polished digital output. As you sketch even the roughest shapes, the AI interprets your creative intention and offers refined drawing suggestions created by professional artists. For designers, this is invaluable during client brainstorming sessions. You can sketch ideas live in a meeting, have the AI polish them in real time, and leave clients feeling like they genuinely participated in the creative process. That collaborative energy builds relationships and generates referrals. Image enhancement and quality upscaling. One of the most consistent pain points in professional design work is receiving low-quality assets from clients. Blurry product photos, pixelated logos, grainy event images. These slow down every project. Let's Enhance solves this completely, upscaling images up to 16 times their original resolution without quality loss. This capability is especially powerful for designers working with e-commerce brands, local businesses, and startups that do not have professional photography budgets. You become the person who makes their existing assets look incredible, which is an immediately tangible, billable value. Vector art, icons, and illustration creation. RecRaft has become an essential part of our visual production workflow. Describe your desired visual, a vector logo, a set of icons, an illustration in a specific artistic style, and the tool generates production-ready artwork instantly. The ability to explore multiple variations and adjust colors on the fly means you can present clients with genuine creative options rather than a single take-it-or-leave-it concept. The export flexibility across multiple formats makes integration into any deliverable seamless, whether you are handing off to a developer, a printer, or a social media team. AI image generation for campaigns and concepts. Midjourney remains the gold standard for transforming text prompts into genuinely stunning visual artwork. For designers, it is most powerful as a concept generation and inspiration tool. When you need to quickly visualize a campaign direction, explore an aesthetic before investing hours in detailed execution, or present a client with a mood board that feels alive rather than flat, Midjourney delivers. The key to using it professionally and ethically is to treat it as a starting point, not a final product. Let it generate the concept. Then bring your expertise, your brand understanding, and your technical skills to refine it into something uniquely suited to the client's needs. Logo and brand identity creation. Brandmark has genuinely changed how we approach branding projects for startups and small businesses. The platform generates unique, professional logo concepts based on brand inputs and then provides a complete suite of brand assets, business cards, social media graphics, app icons, letterheads, all cohesive and ready to deploy. What makes it particularly smart for freelancers is the pricing model. A single payment unlocks unlimited revisions and full copyright, which means you can build entire brand identities with confidence and deliver ongoing refinements without eroding your profit margin. Collaborative design and prototyping. Figma is the industry-standard collaboration platform for a reason. Its AI-powered features for generating UI components, creating prototypes, and maintaining design systems make it indispensable for any designer working with development teams or larger organizations. The auto layout feature alone saves hours on projects that require consistent scaling across multiple screen sizes and formats. If you are not already deep in Figma's ecosystem, building that expertise is one of the highest return investments you can make in your career right now. Part 4. Packaging your services for maximum income. Having great tools is only half the equation. How you package and price your services determines whether you earn a comfortable living or build genuine wealth as a designer. The retainer model, your path to consistent income. The most financially stable designers are not chasing one-off projects. They are working on monthly retainers where clients pay a fixed fee for a defined scope of ongoing design support. AI tools make retainer work far more profitable because you can deliver higher volume in less time, meaning your effective hourly rate climbs significantly even while your client feels they are getting exceptional value. A solid entry-level design retainer might cover social media graphics, email banners, and minor brand asset updates for a fixed monthly fee. As the relationship deepens and your AI-powered speed becomes evident, you naturally expand into larger scopes at higher rates. The Brand Identity Package, Premium One-Time Engagements. Full brand identity projects, logo, typography system, color palette, brand guidelines, and core asset library command premium pricing because they represent foundational business value. With AI tools accelerating the exploration and refinement phases, you can deliver these projects in significantly less calendar time while maintaining the depth and quality that justifies premium rates. The key is positioning. You are not selling faster logo design. You are selling a complete brand foundation that gives a business the visual language to compete professionally from day one. The Content Production Package, Volume-Driven Revenue. E-commerce businesses, marketing agencies, and content-heavy brands have an almost unlimited appetite for design assets. Social posts, ad creatives, email headers, product graphics, promotional banners. The volume is staggering and the need is constant. AI tools turn this volume demand into a genuine opportunity. What would require a full design team to produce, a skilled AI-powered individual designer can now deliver efficiently. Positioning yourself as a content production specialist for specific industries, fitness, food, fashion, technology, real estate, allows you to develop deep niche expertise and charge accordingly. Part 5. Marketing yourself as an AI-powered designer. Your skills only generate income if the right clients know you exist. Here is how to build visibility in the current market. Build a portfolio that demonstrates speed and range. Your portfolio needs to communicate two things immediately: the quality of your work and the breadth of what you can handle. Include diverse project types, brand identities, social campaigns, UI mockups, marketing materials, and be transparent about your AI-assisted workflow. Clients are not intimidated by AI tools. They are impressed by designers who have mastered them. Show before and after examples where possible. A low-quality client photo transformed into a professional-grade visual tells a more compelling story than any written description of your capabilities. Niche down to stand out. The most successful freelance designers I know are not generalists competing on price. They are specialists commanding premium rates in specific industries or for specific deliverables. Become the best AI-powered brand designer for wellness startups. Become the go-to social media designer for real estate agencies. Become the specialist in e-commerce product photography enhancement. Niching feels counterintuitive because it seems to shrink your potential client pool. In reality, it expands your pricing power and attracts clients who specifically want what you offer, which means far fewer price negotiations and far stronger long-term relationships. Leverage social media as a live portfolio. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Behance are not just places to post finished work. They are opportunities to document your creative process, share insights about your AI-powered workflow, and build an audience of potential clients and collaborators. Designers who consistently show their thinking, not just their output, attract premium clients who value strategic partnership, not just visual production. Post consistently. Show process. Share what you are learning. Build in public. Part 6. Future-proofing your career. The AI design landscape is evolving faster than any technology shift the creative industry has previously experienced. Staying ahead requires a specific mindset and a commitment to continuous learning. Invest in taste, not just technique. AI tools are becoming increasingly accessible to everyone. The technical barrier to producing decent-looking design is falling rapidly. What remains difficult, and therefore genuinely valuable, is taste. The ability to look at a design and know instinctively that something is off. The judgment to select the right concept from 20 generated options. The emotional intelligence to understand what a brand needs beyond what a client can articulate. Taste is developed through deep and deliberate exposure to great design. Study design history. Analyze campaigns that worked and ones that failed. Develop strong opinions. Read about branding philosophy, visual psychology, and consumer behavior. These investments compound over time and become the foundation of a career that no AI can replicate. Build systems, not just skills. The most productive AI-powered designers do not start each project from scratch. They build reusable systems, template libraries, prompt collections, client onboarding processes, feedback frameworks that allow them to deliver consistent quality efficiently across every engagement. Every project you complete is an opportunity to extract a reusable component. Every AI prompt that generates a strong result should be saved, refined, and added to your personal toolkit. These systems become a genuine competitive advantage that grows more powerful over time. Community and collaboration. The designers thriving in the AI era are not isolating themselves. They are actively participating in design communities, sharing knowledge, collaborating on projects, and staying connected to where the industry is heading. Platforms and communities built around AI design tools provide early access to emerging capabilities, peer feedback on your work, and collaborative opportunities that expand your reach and your income. Here is the honest truth about where we are right now. The design industry is not dying. It is bifurcating. On one side are designers who are waiting to see what happens, hoping their existing skills are enough, and slowly watching their rates compress as AI tools become mainstream. On the other side are designers who treated this moment as the opportunity it genuinely is, who invested in understanding these tools, built systems around them, and positioned themselves as the professionals who deliver better work faster than ever before. The gap between those two groups is widening every single month. You now have the complete blueprint. The mindset, the tools, the packaging strategy, the marketing approach, and the long-term thinking required to build something genuinely profitable in the AI design era. The only question left is which side of that divide you choose to stand on. Start building today. Your future design career is waiting.